friends, welcome back to our channel. Today let us see an introduction on the topic some applications of trigonometry, chapter 9. From our previous chapters we know trigonometric ratios. What are those? Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. These are our basic trigonometric ratios and we have to keep them. Similarly, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta can be derived. We should also remember trigonometric ratios of some angles, that is for 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. And now we'll see some new terms for this chapter. Line of sight. Line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. Let us consider this is a person, this is the eye level. Line of sight is the line making with the horizontal when the observer sees an object. Here it is a tree. This is the line of sight and this is the horizontal, and the angle made is called the angle of elevation. Let us see what is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation of an object is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when it's above the horizontal level. That is the case when we raise our head to look at the object. In this image, theta is the angle of elevation. Angle of depression. The angle of depression of an object viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal level when it's below the horizontal level. That is the case when we lower our head to look at the object. In this image, when the person standing in a tower has to visualize a plant in the ground, he has to look down. That is his line of sight. And the horizontal made is the line parallel to the ground. So this becomes the angle of depression. Let us discuss questions of exercise 9.1 in our upcoming videos. Thank you.